Hello everyone, in this video as you can see I have this problem in my VLC player. It's so laggy I can't play the video. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So when I play this video and when I skip to a certain time like this, as you can see it lags. It lags so bad. I have a very great processor and a GPU, but still it lags. I think it is not about the GPU. And let me show you how you can fix this problem forever. So once you open your VLC player, there will be an option called tools. Just tap here, and from here you need to go all the way down, and from here you will find preferences. Now as you can see, it's selected interface. All right, just select interface and press this all button, and now you will find here input codes. When you go down, there will be a video codes. Just press this arrow and go down, and FFmpeg, select this. Right now what we have to do, from here you will find these threads. By default it will be 0, so we need to select any number between 1 to 5. So for example, let me select 3. You can choose 5, 1 to 3, any between 1 to 5. Right, after that press C. So yeah, this is how you fix your laggy VLC player. And if this video doesn't work, please comment on my video. I will let you know how to fix it if this step doesn't work. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.